Good day, my dear grade 9 students. Kumusta naman kayo? I hope you still find learning fun and enjoyable kahit nasa bahay lang kayo. Okay? For today, I am going to discuss something about appetizers. The learning objective is classify appetizers according to ingredients. Ayan, so there are 4 pictures. I want you to describe it. Okay? Sige nga. Ayan. So maybe some of you would say, these are small pieces of food item. Kasi maliliit lang sila. Others might say, they are flavorful. Yes, siguro sa tingin ninyo, ang sarap niyang tingnan. Okay? Parang malasa siya. Kasi iba't ibang ingredients yung nakikita ninyo dyan sa picture. Ayan. Others might say they can be dipped. Oo, kasi sa unang picture, merong dip. Okay? Cute and colorful. Ayan, bakit kaya cute? Iba pang maliliit, they are cute. Colorful, kasi, as you can see, there are varied colors. And last, maybe some of you would say they are very attractive. Ayan, so that's all true. Ayan. So, ano kaya sila? Okay, so they are appetizers. Okay? Ayan, so they are appetizers. So maybe, at this point in time, may idea na kayo kung ano yung appetizers. Kasi, I'll let you describe it na. Okay? But to help you understand it more, we have this definition. Appetizers are foods which stimulate the appetite through their attractive appearance, fragrance, or appealing flavor. It is a small piece or a portion of highly seasoned food, usually served before a meal to induce and stimulate one's appetite. It gives appreciation to the food we eat. Ayan, so let's just simplify things. Ayan, so ano ba yung pinaka-importansya ng appetizer? Well, una, ayan, sabi dyan, it's a small piece or portion of highly seasoned food. So, kanina yung picture na nakita nyo, maliliit na food items lang sila. So, kahit even your fingers, yan, wala kayong gamit na kutsara, pwede nyo siyang kunin and then kainin nyo. Kasi maliit lang sila. Okay? Ayan. So, isang characteristics. Ngayon, kailan siya isiniserve? It is served before a meal. Okay. Bakit? Bakit kailangan i-serve siya before a meal or bago yung main dish? Kasi, ang purpose niya is to stimulate the appetite or magkaroon ng ganang kumain yung diner or yung customer or client ninyo. Okay po? So, it is very important that you make sure that the appearance of your appetizer is appealing. Ayan, appealing and attractive. Okay? Para mainggan yung kainin yung client ninyo. Okay? And the taste, ayan. Some appetizers, usually they are spicy. Ayan, may konting anghang, may konting alat. Okay? Ayan, so, no lang yung matamis. Okay? Kasi kapag matamis na siya, it's a dessert na. Okay po? Yan. So, binibigay yung dessert sa last part na ng pagkain. Now, let us proceed with the classifications of appetizers. Yan. Okay. First, we have cocktails. Ano ba yung cocktails? Basahin ni ma'am. Cocktail appetizers are made of seafood or fruit, usually with a tart or tangy sauce. These appetizers are always served chilled, often on a bed of crushed ice. So I want you to look at the picture again para mas madaling mas madaling maunawaan or madaling magets kung ano ba yung cocktail appetizer. As you can see, ayan, yung first picture makikita nyo, meron dyan sa ilalim na crushed ice. So, it keeps the oyster cold. Okay? Kasi, one of the examples of cocktails is oyster. Ayan. So, ito, oyster siya. Yung first picture, that is an oyster appetizer. Ayan po. Okay? Yung second picture naman, this is a lobster salad. Ayan. Kaya it's a cocktail kasi cocktails, usually, hindi lang siya mga fruits. Okay? Seafoods. More on seafoods din siya. Ayan. So, ito, this is a lobster salad. Ayan. And then, yung third picture, fruit cocktails naman yan. Okay? With a little alcohol or sauce, tangy sauce. Ayan. Those are cocktails. Just always remember that cocktails, hindi lang yung mga drinks. Okay? Meron din tayong tinatawag na cocktail appetizers, which are usually seafoods, made of seafoods and fruits. Okay? And beverages. And then, it is usually served cold. Okay? So, yung temperature niya is cold. Next, we have the hors d'oeuvres. Ayan. So, medyo mahirap ang spelling. Mahirap din basahin kasi it's a French culinary term. Okay po. So, we read that word as hors d'oeuvres. Ayan. Silent S. Ayan. Hors d'oeuvres. These are small portions of highly seasoned foods. It is a combination of canapes, olives, stuffed celery, pickled radishes, and fish. It is served on individual plate when guests are seated. Sometimes, this is simply placed on a platter and passed around. Ayan. So, ano ba yung sinasabi namang hors d'oeuvres? Ayan. So, as you can see dyan naman sa mga sample pictures ko, still, they are small pieces of foods. Okay po. So, tingnan ninyo, maliliit pa din sila. Okay? Ayan. So, they can be made of vegetables and fruits, rather than content fruits, and then meat or fish, yan, or seafoods. Pwede din po yun. As long as, so, they are served small items, and then they are highly seasoned. Okay po? Ayan. So, they are hors d'oeuvres. Next, we have canapes. Okay? They are bite-sized, open-faced sandwiches consist of tiny portions of food presented on bases of bread, toast, or pastry, easily handled and eaten. Ayan. So, canopy, tingnan ninyo, again, yung picture para mas madaling maunawaan. This is a bite size. Ayan, sabi dyan, it's a bite size. Ibig sabihin, maliliit pa din. Okay? Maliliit lang siyang pagkain. Open-faced sandwiches. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng open-faced sandwiches? Usually, sandwiches, dalawa sila. Okay? So, dalawa. Okay? So, kapag inalis mo yung isang bahagi or isang bread, magiging siyang open-faced. Okay? So, yun yung tinatawag na open-faced, wherein nakikita mo na kung ano yung filling or yung palaman doon. Okay? So, yun po yung tinatawag na open-faced sandwiches. As you can see nga, nandyan, meron siyang, etong third picture po, as you can see, meron siyang bread sa ilalim. And then, it is topped with, I guess, parang shrimps yan. Okay? So, dito naman sa ikalawang picture, or sa middle part, yan. Open-faced Ayan, so meron siyang, makikita natin yung filling sa ibabaw. Okay? And then, ito, crackers yung ginamit dito na base. Okay? Still, they are called canapes. Okay po? So, yan yung pinaka-characteristics ng canapes. Ayan. So, I want you to know the different parts of canape kasi gagawa din tayo ng canape. First part is the base. It holds the spread and garnish. Crackers and toast are firmer and give a pleasing texture and crispness to the canape. Suggestions for canape bases are bread cutouts, toast cutouts, and crackers. Ayan. So, yung base, ito po siya. Okay, yung nasa babang part. Wherein, dito nyo ilalagay ang mga fillings na gagamitin ninyo. Kailangan meron kayong base. Yan. So, yung pinakailalim. Okay po. So, you can use breads. Yan. Pero you have to cut it in small portion. You can also use crackers. Pwede yon na base, yung pangilalim. And then, pwede din po pancakes. Maliliit na pancakes. Pwede yon. Okay. Next part is the spread. Placed on top of the base so the garnish sticks to it without falling off. Okay, another important part of canape is the spread. Okay, kasi yung spread, hindi lang siya it adds flavor, but it also adds moisture, and at the same time, ang purpose niya para hindi mahulog or matanggal yung mga toppings na ilalagay ninyo. Okay po, kasi ang texture or ang consistency niya usually ng mga spread is yung spreadable, 'di ba? Yung mga palaman. Okay, kaya siya hindi basta-basta mahuhulog yung gagamitin ninyong toppings. Like for example, mayonnaise, butter, they are spread. Okay po? Next is the topping, the main component of the canape. Ayan, so sunod na level, ayan, kapag meron na kayong base, naglagay na kayo ng spread, you need to add the topping. Yan, ano ba yung topping? You can use meat, vegetables, okay? Pwede din po yung fish or any seafoods. Pero yung luto na, wag yung raw, okay? Or wag yung hilaw. Okay po? And then, last part is the garnish. Any food item or combination of items placed on top of the spread, which usually gives color, design, and texture or flavor accent to the canape. Ayan, so yung garnish, yung pinaka-last part, wherein it enhances the appearance, or not just the taste, but it also enhances the appearance of the canape. Ayan, nagpapaganda siya lalo, yung garnish. Maglalagay lang kayo ng mga konting, mga pang-embellish, pampaganda doon para mas lalong presentable siya. Okay, usually, mga ginagamit dyan, mga parsley, chopped spring onions. So, dito, yung ginamit dito sa picture na to is parang it's a cherry tomato and a leaf. Yan. Okay, so let us proceed with another classification of appetizer. We have the relishes or crudités. Are pickled items which are raw, crisp vegetables such as julienne carrots or celery sticks. Relishes are generally placed before the guest in a slightly deep boat-shaped dish. Ayan. So, ang relishes naman po or crudités, as you can see, they are julienne vegetables. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng julienne? It's a cut, okay, vegetable cut na pahaba. Pahaba po siya. Okay, kaya tinawag siyang julienne. Okay, julienne cuts, pahaba po. So, tingnan niyo sa picture, mga pahaba silang vegetables like, for example, carrots and bell peppers. Okay? Pero you can also make a relish na hindi naman mga julienne cuts. Okay po? As long as, what is very important is the relish is, or there is a dip. Okay? Dapat merong sausawan. Okay? Para mas ma-enhance yung flavor ng gulay na ginawa ninyong relish or crudités. Okay po? Yan. Next is we have the petite salad. Petite salads are small portions of salads and usually display the characteristics found in most salads. Okay, yan naman po. Petite salad, okay, maliit lang na serving ng salad. Hindi yung masyadong madami. Okay po, kasi petite nga. When you say petite, small. Okay po, kaya nga nandyan sa mga pictures, parang maliliit na servings lang sila ng mga vegetable salads. Hindi yung matatamis na salad, kasi pang dessert na naman yon. Okay? Usually yung mga lasang, basta hindi matamis. Okay po? Ayan. Okay, so another classification of appetizer is the chips and dips. Ito na yung mga nachos. Okay, kilala niya na siguro yung mga tinatawag na nachos. Yan, popular accompaniments to potato chips, crackers, and raw vegetables. Proper consistency in the preparation is important for many dips. So, ito yung sinasabi dito is the dip. Okay, ito yung sausawan. Kita nyo ito? It's the dip. Okay, ito yung chips na nakapalibot sa kanya. It can be an appetizer po. Okay? Ayan. So, yan yung chips and dips. Or yung, mas madami nga, yung tinatawag niya, yung mga nachos, yan. Mga party appetizers sila. Okay. We have the fresh fruits and vegetables are the simplest appetizers. Simplest sila. Bakit kaya? Fruits are good appetizers because they give an attractive appearance, fragrance, appealing taste, and delicious flavor. For example, you could serve a platter of thinly sliced cucumbers, chunks of red bell pepper, and baby carrots. Ayan. So, etong fresh fruits and vegetables, you don't need any more dips. Okay, hindi siya relish. Okay, nag-serve ka lang ng fresh fruits and vegetables. Kaya lang, what is important here is, you should not serve fresh fruits which are too ripe. Okay, parang hinog na. Hindi na yon pang appetizer. Okay? Yan. So, next is we have the finger foods. Are a variety of appetizers wherein the only requirement is that you keep everything small enough to be picked up with the fingers and eaten with little mess. If you want to serve your favorite homemade sausages, cut them into small pieces, wrap them with a small piece of pastry shell, and bake. So, finger foods naman, ito yung mga pagkain na madaling makain. Gamit lang yung fingers ninyo. So, you don't need any more spoon and forks to eat it. But you can pick it up with your fingers and then eat it. Okay, so like for example, in that picture, we have lumpia or roll. Sa English, roll ang tawag sa kanya. And we have here some sort of biscuits, okay, and peanuts. Okay, ito, it's parang I guess it's yung unang picture, it's a meatball. Ayan, that's finger foods. Okay, so we're done with the classifications. Let's have a short exercise. Tingnan natin na, yan. Give the classifications of each appetizers as shown in the picture. Okay. Ano kaya yan? Okay, let's see. They are, okay, so, chips and dips. Ayan. Kasi meron siyang chips, meron siyang dips. Kaya chips and dips siya. Okay, next, Ano kaya yan? Tingnan natin kung mahulaan ninyo. Yes, correct. Cocktail. Ayan. Kasi as you can see, meron siyang shrimp and may something red sauce siya sa ilalim. Okay. Next picture, we have nuts. Anong classification niya? Yan, finger food. Tama ulit kayo. Okay, and then, this one, ano kaya yan? Canapé, correct. They are canapé. And kasi meron siyang base, merong spread, and meron siyang toppings with garnish. Ayan. Alright, so here's my last slide, I guess. The common Filipino appetizers. Yan, pag-usapan natin yung mga common Filipino appetizers. First picture is, it's a dynamite. Yes. Dynamite, yes. Yan. Appetizer siya. And then, we have this fried siomai. Parang it's a fried siomai. And then, we have the lumpia. The third picture. And this picture, sa ilalim, this one is kinilaw or ceviche. And then, we have meatballs. And etong last picture, it's the parang it's equivalent to the Japanese tempura. Pero ang tawag dito sa atin is rebosado, shrimp rebosado, I guess, or yung fried shrimp. Yan. So, these are common Filipino appetizers. So, kapag tig-serve siya ng small quantity lang, yan, they are appetizers. Yung iba kasi, sa atin, they would usually eat this as ulam na. Yan. Itong example, itong meatballs, pwede mo na siyang ulamin. Pero if they are served in small quantity lang naman, they are appetizers po. Yan. Alright. So, that's the end of my discussion for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope again that you learned something from me today. Yan. Thank you so much for watching.